How to get quotes using Spidercost. Open your web browser and navigate to the site www.spidercost.com. If you don't have an account, you'll see that at the top here you have a register button, so click that to sign up. There are a few things to fill in and you'll be up and running very quickly. Alright, once you have created your account and you're ready to go, click the login button. You use your email address that you specified when you signed up, and also you will have a password, and then you just click the login button. Alright, you're brought to your home page and you'll see that there are two panels, one for buying and one for selling. I'm interested in getting some quotes, which is the first option in the buying panel, so I'll click on that, and I'm brought to my buying screen, and you'll see that I get a pop-up which allows me to enter a description of the product or service I'm looking for. Alright, this is a totally freehand input. You do not have to select something from a list. You can type in anything you like. So in this scenario, I'm going to look for an iPad. Okay, an Apple iPad. So I'll start typing iPad, and you'll see that the system already has two options for me. I'm just going to select one here, and I'm going to ask for 5 of them, and I'm interested in iPads that have got a white cover. So in my notes to my suppliers, I'm going to just say here, must have a white panel. Okay. Alright, if there are any drawings or photos or additional information I want to send to my suppliers, I can attach them using my add attachment feature here. Alright, click OK, and it gets added into a list. I can keep adding items to that list if I need quotes from many items, but I'm just going to keep it simple. Right, here I have an option which I can modify for when I need my quotes by. You can see it's got a default by a certain time, or I can change it. So I'm going to just drop it down here to 4 hours from now. And once I'm ready, I just click my next button. Okay, we are now at the quotation suppliers screen, and you can see that my item, the Apple iPad Air 32 gig that I'm looking for, is listed here on the left. On the right here are all the suppliers that Spidercost knows about that can supply this item. If I have a traditional supplier or suppliers that I know of that sell this and I want to get quotes from them in future, I can just invite a supplier, and then I can just type in their information. So in this case, I'm going to invite Spidercost, and you'll see it's very straightforward. You just OK that, and Spidercost is now one of the suppliers listed. If the system doesn't recognize who that company is, you'll just be provided with a input for an email address. So it's nice and straightforward. You just give them a name and an email address, and off it goes. Alright, I can also limit my quote request. So I can take it down to my city, or I can go all the way up, and in this case I'm just going to say anywhere in my region. Okay, I'm ready to go. So all I need to do now is click the submit button, and you can see that my requests have been submitted to those suppliers. I click OK, and you can see now I've been brought back to my view quote screen, and I have my inquiry here with its details. I haven't received any quotes yet. It was sent to 4 suppliers, and the status is open. Okay, if I click on the 4 button there under the suppliers, you'll be able to see what the status is, and you can see that as the suppliers start to work on your quotes, the status will get updated, so you can keep track of what's going on. Alright, now you can carry on with your day, and the quotes will start populating here, and you'll be able to come back and see what your suppliers have quoted you.